Hi students, welcome to today's class on my channel CQMA Chinmay Creative and Content Maths Academy. Today we are going to discussing third question of exercise 1.1. Okay, that is related to class 10th CBSE syllabus chapter 1 real numbers. Okay, the question is like this: an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay, first understand the question. There is an army contingent that contains 616 members, and there is an army band of 32 members. They have to march one behind one. There are two groups. Okay, the two groups are to be marched in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay. See, what is this band? Army band is 32 members, and army contingent is having 616 members. Okay, these two numbers are divisible by 2, and both are divisible by 4, and both are divisible by 8. So we can take 8 as a maximum number of columns. Okay, if you take 2, this 32 people divided by 2 means it becomes 16. We have to make 16 columns. Okay, when 616 divided by 2, it becomes 308. Yes, so 308 columns. It becomes a big column, right? That's why rows or becomes more rows. Okay. Okay, and taking 2 means 2 columns means there are 16 band people come like this, and 308 like this. Army contingent will go like this. So here how many? 16 columns of band, and 308 rows like this. Rows is a column, only 2 columns, because both are divisible by 2 means we can make 2 columns. In each column this will be 16 band people, and 308 army contingent members will be there. So it becomes very lengthy columns. So when we are taking 4 like this, 4, okay, this first band members, army band like this, means they will take say 8. 4 8 32 means 8 columns. When you divide by 4 this one, how many columns it becomes? 4 1s are 4, 2 left, 4 5s are 20, again 1 left, 4 4s are 16, 154. 4 4 army contingent like this, it will go like this, 154 rows, one row, in one row 4 people. See, for example, 32 means in one row 4 means 8, 12, 16, 20 like this. 8 rows will come here, 154 rows will comes. Totally it becomes 162 rows. Here 324 rows. It is also very lengthy, long columns. Here little bit lesser columns. If you take an 8, so this is the highest common factor now, means HCF. HCF is the answer for us. This 2 is also factor of these two numbers. 4 is also factor of these two numbers. 8 is also factor. In this one, we can select 8. When you take 8 like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. Band, first army band you have to put first because army will go in forward, right? So 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, 16, 24, 32. 32 band army will go front. Behind 6, 16 our army contingent members will go. Okay. See, when you divide 6, 16 by 8, what will get? 8 7 ja 56, again 5 6, 8 7 ja 56, means 77 rows. 1 see here, this is the army contingent. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this 8 columns. And this is how many rows? 4 rows only for army band. This is the band set, will go front and be here. Okay, contingent or members, army contingent members makes how many? 77 rows. Okay, 77 rows, totally 81 rows. Okay, here 162 rows, here 324 rows. So when compared to these three, this is the smaller one, 81. Maximum, see, the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. Okay, same number, 8 only. Okay, these are 8 columns, these are also 8 columns. What is the maximum number of columns in each, in which they can march? Maximum is 8 only. More than 8, we don't have any common, higher common factor here. See, this is divisible by for example 2 and 2, 4 and 8. Maybe it is also divisible by some other numbers also. Okay, but we can't do like that. This is divisible by 4, 18, sorry, 12, not 12, sorry, 14, no, not 14 also, sorry, 8, 16. Okay, this is divisible by 16. Okay, 16 columns, only 2 rows. Okay, 16 means 2 columns. 16 means 2 columns. And for this one, it is divisible by 16. We will check 6 and 16. 16 for 4, 16 3 is 48. 13 left, 136. 136. 3, 36. 136 will go by 4. 16? No. 16 is 128. It won't go. Correct? Means we can't make equal number of columns. Maximum number of columns and same number of columns. We can't make. This is when we're taking 16 with 2 columns we can make band peoples, but 616 we can't make. That's why SCF is the solution for this one. We have to find the solution using Euclid's division lemma, and we can say the answer. This is the what is the what is the main thing we need to understand, like this, the concept. Okay, and actually answer is SCF 8. How it works means it works like this. Band people you can make 4 rows, and this army contingent makes 77 rows. When you adding these two, what is the answer? 648. Okay, 648 divided by 8 also we will get 81 answer. Means 81 rows. 8 columns, 81 rows. 8 6 8 8 64. 8 1 8, 81. Okay, 81 rows. 77 plus 4, 81. Okay, let's do this one systematically. Mathematically we solve finding SCF. I hope you understand this one. In the plot. So can I rub completely? Okay, I will rub up to here. Just we have to find the HCF by Euclid's division lemma. 616 by, what is the number? 32. 32, how many times? Only one time is 32. 11 minus 2, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. And 6 here. Then divide now by 8. 32 into 8 8 to the 16. It is a 24, 5, 256. And 9 how much? 32, 9 9 to 18. 98. 9 to the 18, 9 to the 27, 20. Okay, take this one and the age 256. So subtract now 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. Now we don't have any digits to bring down. Then divide. Something wrong. Something went wrong, I think. 32 1 32. Correct? 11 minus 2, 9. Sorry, here 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. 296. Now 256. 256 and 32. 8. 288. Okay. 9 2 18. Okay. Take 9 times. 286. Okay. 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. Now 32 left. Bring down 32. Again. Correct? 10 3 30. Something went wrong. 1. Correct? 32 1 32. 11 minus 2, 9 only. 5 minus 3, 2. 296. 8 9 2 88. 288. Okay. Hmm. 288. Again 8. Okay, that's it. 8 minus 8, 0. Again 32. 8 4 32. Our remainder becomes 0. So when remainder becomes 0, our divisor is our HCF. Okay, so HCF of 616 and 32 is 8. So number of, write down like this. So number of maximum, same number of maximum number of columns in which they can march is 8 columns. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Okay guys, thank you.